Ayun sa inyo guys, so bali merong mga bagong feature dito sa Messenger na baka hindi nyo pa alam. So una dyan is yung save photos and videos. Yan, ito yan sa more actions once na kinilik nyo yung information ng isang user. So yung meron kayo na bilog or kiklik nyo yung pangalan para madiretso kayo dito sa settings. Ayan, so under more action, dyan yung save photos and videos. So para saan nga pala itong save photos and videos? Yan, nakalagay dyan, automatically save photos and videos that you receive in this chat to your camera roll. Photos and videos saved to your device will not be encrypted. So make sure lang na enable nyo to bago sila mag-send ng photos and videos. So yun, para automatically na ma-save yung photos and videos na isisend nila. And then ang pangalawa dyan, bagong feature ni Messenger, which is itong disappearing messages. So then itong disappearing messages is galing siya sa IG. So kung alam niyo yung once na in-scroll up niyo yata, I think yun. Ayan, so how disappearing messages work. Messages disappear in 24 hours. Messages will disappear 24 hours after they are sent. You can get screenshot notification. People in this chat will get an alert if the screenshot are detected. Conversation can be report. Ayan, kasama yung disappearing messages. So I think ito yung pagka ng scroll up guys sa IG. So try natin sa IG guys. So ito well created chat lang dito kasi yan. Then I think yung scroll na-vanish mode pala yun, sorry. Vanish mode na yun.